Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a TCL NxtPaper 10s. First of all, open a Google application, this one. Next, in the top right corner, I've got our Google account icon, so tap it. And here you find settings. Now go into Google Assistant option. And in this menu, scroll down and find general option, this one. Now here we got Google Assistant option, and for turn off this option need tapping on the switcher and confirm operation, tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.